Hello everyone, with Chippy Tommy. You're watching Issues on Naija Love Info. Now, the issue we'll be briefly talking about today is on the SWAT training at Egon in Nasarawa State, North Central Nigeria, on Monday, November 2nd, 2020. Now, a lot of Nigerians have talked about SWAT. SWAT simply means Special Weapons and Tactical Team. So they are the new team now, the new tactical team of the Nigerian Police Force that has replaced SARS. Now, SWAT training, a lot of people did funny videos about the SWAT training, but the lesson there is that from what we saw about the video, the SWAT officers were in like a bush, an empty land, training how to fight martial arts, kung fu training, maybe karate training and taekwondo training. So what Nigerians are hoping that we hope for the best for SWAT, and also we advise SWAT not to toe the path of SARS, so that Nigerians at the end of the day will embrace SWAT and everyone will be good for it, because we love the Nigerian Police Force. So bye.